Hey guys, it's Calvin here. Thanks for checking out the video. Once again, today is Thursday, December 27th, 2012, guys. I got a few minutes here, guys. Let's go over some of these charts that I went over yesterday. As you guys remember, I mentioned that this level here is going to be really strong, guys. Never quite got there. We did get some news out of that they're going to resume discussion about the fiscal cliff on Sunday. So the market's got a big pop off that news, off the lows, guys. Just missed our levels, guys, right here at my red line. This was ultimately my spot to go long. We didn't quite get there, so we did hit a 50% retrace, guys, with this pretty much at the right at the open of this gap fill candle, guys. So pretty much touched that, tagged that, and got a nice bounce at the end of the day. And we have a hammer candle, guys, so this could be the short-term low for the week, I'm guessing, guys. This should be solid. Ultimately, I said this was the worst-case scenario at 139, and that looks like that's going to be the case, guys. 139 should be the worst case. I am in some 135 put spreads, guys, for the quarterly option, so I have to wait till Monday for those to expire, worthless, so I can collect the premium. But it looks okay. We have a lot of support here, guys, and it looks like the market is expecting some good news Sunday. So come Monday, hopefully we get a nice little pop. And the daily candle print is showing that with a nice hammer candle. Not a bottoming tail because we're not at a recent low, but this is a hammer candle, so we have to respect it. And the volume is increased, okay? Let's look intraday really quickly and see what we have intraday, guys. I was watching pretty much the spiders all day. This nice pop off that news that I mentioned earlier. Pretty much a grind lower all day long, guys. Not much to mention. Downtrend on the 10-minute chart. You can make a case that this is inverse head and shoulders here, guys. Not a great one, but the target would have been right here, guys, and as you can see, it went right through that, guys. So that was a nice little pop into the close, guys. Great move. This looks really bullish, guys, and that's the reason why I'm thinking that's going to be the low. This pivot will hold for the week by Friday, by tomorrow. And we got a nice increased volume as well. Let's look at Apple, guys. Let's look at the daily chart first. Let's see what's going on in Apple. I didn't really look at Apple today as much, but it's pretty much the same parabolic move to the close in the last hour or two. We did get a nice little candle here. Let's take a look at it. We did undercut this low again. Once again, we did test the low and it did bounce, guys. I actually did play it intraday off the crazy parabolic move. I thought perhaps I wasn't paying attention to the news. I thought maybe the fiscal deal was finalized or something because the market was just absolutely surging at one point. And I did play Apple based on the strength. I hardly ever do that, but it was a nice profit. Got off this bar right here. I had no idea it was gonna be this insane. I took my profits pretty much at the 50 moving average, guys, off a downtrend. That would have been a good spot. Wow, look at that crazy move into the close. I took about 30 cents on some calls, 510 call, guys, and I took it at 510, right around 510, and wow, look at the move. We got another $5 almost to the upside. $6 if it would have caught the exact high. And we did get a nice little bearish candle at the end of the day. So let's see if this has to pull back tomorrow. Okay, guys, that is Apple. The level 500, 505 is holding, guys. I believe I did mention those are important levels, guys. Okay, let's look at Amazon, I believe, as well. Amazon, I did mention this yesterday in my video as well. That I believe I said the 242 level was the level to hold, and if 246 broke, that would be the next level. It will get there quickly, and it did get there in one day. So once again, the levels are absolutely fantastic. Just missed the 50 moving average, but pretty much hit my level. The low was right around 142 and some change, but we did end with a nice doji candle, so that is a nice bottoming signal right there. Maybe a short-term bottoming signal. That's what you want to see. A nice little long doji candle right there, guys. So Amazon holding up well. Recaptured pretty much this pivot. So that's pretty good bullish sign right there. That's holding up. Let's look at some of the other indexes, guys, really quick. IWM holding up very well. That's showing the market is strong. I mean, money is still put into risk, and it's not really pulling back. I mean, you'd like to see this. This is the leader because this is where the risky money goes into. And really, the IWM is holding up well. They didn't even hit a 382 retrace, guys. While S&P and it's pulling back greatly, the IWM is holding up very well, guys. Look at the Qs as well. The Qs, I believe, is even hitting a 50% retrace or so, 60%, I believe, or 68. Look, yeah, over a 50% retracement. So the IWM is showing some strength, and that's looking pretty good for the markets, as well as the financials, which I will get into in a moment. Yeah, almost hit a 618 retrace, guys. The SPY as well, like I said before, went right into a 50% retrace. So as you can see, the IYM is holding up pretty well, still at the highs of the chart. And I want to go through the financials, guys, and show you. That's why I I've been saying that I think this market's downside is very limited because the financials are so strong. If the financials are holding up, I don't see the market really falling too much. And all we did was just test the 20-day moving average. That's all we did. Bounced off it very nicely. So financials looking okay here. We do have a bearish pattern here, guys. Try to play out and recovered by the end of the day. So now we just had to be in a neutral stance, guys. This bearish pattern tried to play out but recovered. So we're gonna have to watch and see how it all plays out tomorrow and Monday. Okay, guys. I think that's everything I wanted to go through, guys. Just had a few minutes, so I just didn't want to leave you guys hanging. Just wanted to do a quick little video. Okay, guys. Hope you guys have a great one. I will talk to you guys tomorrow.